Okay, let's take a start. It's IELTS speaking part 1 and I'm going to ask you some questions. Your topic is television and radio. Television is okay, but radio is something outdated, but still whenever you drive, you listen to radio and you can talk about that, right?
Yes.
So let's take a start. Thank you very much. Wow, thank you. Jazakallah.
Radio
Good.
is also popular.
That is okay, I don't
while
need sugar. Thank you.
Radio is also
Just,
popular.
yeah.
While when
Driving,
we are driving or
absolutely,
traveling,
absolutely.
then
So
radio is the
you can handle
channel.
the questions, okay?
Okay, sir.
Let's take a start. What kind of entertainment do you prefer, TV or radio? Now, possible answer can be TV, possible answer can be radio, or possible answer can be both.
Yes, sir.
And then you can talk about them. So, what kind of entertainment do you prefer, TV or radio?
I would always prefer TV to radio as
Don't compare them.
okay.
Right, just talk about one and elaborate, and you can say on the other hand, sometimes I do listen to radio as well and all that. So what kind of entertainment do you prefer, TV or radio?
I will prefer TV as TV has both audio and as well as visuals. Radio, I also listen to radio while especially when I drive or when I cook something for myself. So to answer your question, I would always prefer to
Both
TV.
modes of entertainment or TV only.
Okay, sir.
Right, that's good. How are radio programs and TV programs different? Now you can compare. How are radio programs and TV programs different?
Radio programs are different as you can listen radio program radio programs
Rodeo. Radio, huh?
radio programs you can listen radio programs when you drive or when you cook but whenever you watch TV programs you must pay attention to that program. Also I would also add in one thing in radio programs, that radio programs are more cheaper to listen than TV programs, as you do not need to subscribe.
You don't need to subscribe. Oh, economical. Cheaper is not good word. Economical. Okay, so just try to give concise answer to the point and all that.
Okay.
All right. What type of programs do you like to watch on TV?
I like to watch sitcoms like Comedy Nights with Kapil. I also like to watch sports, news channels and some other talk shows about politics.
All right. That's good. So यासीन चाय अच्छी नहीं है, वो फजूल सी है, ले जा। वही नहीं जो आप बता रहे सुबह सुबह आपको भी मिलती है, उसी तरह की है. Okay, let's go on. Teacher is your topic. So what kind of teachers do you like? Tina, Meena, Sheena. So what kind of teachers do you like?
I like those teachers who
Not
have,
me.
I
Yeah.
like those teachers who have good grip of knowledge and good grip of our course. And
On
good-
their course, yeah.
On their course and good communication skill. They teach the students very well.
So such type
So
of
such type
teachers
of
are
teachers
my favorite,
are my
and I
favorite.
like them very much. All right, yeah. What kind of teachers do you like? I like beautiful teachers, especially the ones who
Especially female teachers.
exactly, yeah. All right. Who was your favorite teacher when you were young?
When I was young, I am college going. My teacher my
statistics teacher.
Statistics teachers were very good because they are very polite and
He was very polite.
he was very polite.
He, yeah, he.
Yeah, and he was very polite.
He.
And he was very polite.
Good.
And his way of teaching is very good.
Was very good.
Was very good and very difficult problems conveyed to the
He
student.
conveyed
He-
difficult problems in simple
in
way.
simple way.
So
that's why
yeah,
I
that's
like
why.
teacher.
What was his name?
Mr. Ali.
Mr. Ali was my favorite teacher. Would you like to become a teacher in the future?
Yes, I like to become.
I
a
would
teacher.
like to
I
become-
would like to become a teacher in future because I know my skills and I am convey the good message and clear message to the students.
Okay, so therefore, to answer your
Therefore-
question, I would love to become a teacher
Teacher.
if there is a teacher need. Question number 4. Have you ever had bad teachers or have you ever had bad experience with teachers?
No, because I have no experience on the bad teachers because in our society and in our culture, we respect the teachers like a parent. So if the teacher is bad, so for the time being, they are very rude and so
Yeah, but it doesn't mean
it doesn't
teacher
mean
is
teacher- the
bad.
teacher is
So I've
bad.
never had any
So I never
experience
have
with
any
the
teacher.
teacher, and I don't think there is any bad teacher because I respect all the teachers. Good job. That's better. Just focus your language a little, and you'll be fine, inshallah. And teacher is teacher, yeah. Okay. All right. Thank you. Good job.